Separate the real from the storytelling. More smooth than a pattern that they shelling. Cut you around the number like a pattern that they selling. Fuck you on the fucking with a monster. I don't give a shit about you. Spit them at you. In the sick drop top shit about you. Just me and a half-back with the turnpike. You're all over me. Hey, turn right. Fast at least I can fuck you to earn right. So once you get in this hands, I'm first right. Oh, now, let me keep up. Ain't ready to play, but I'm better be going. I got dreams.
Thank you for attending this meeting on such a short notice. My dear brothers, when you expire, your territory will remain within the collective. Of course, since I alone survive, the collective is in actuality with me.
Yes.